This is an English speaking practice session, and in the session, an examiner will ask you a question so you can answer the sample answer and also add pertinent information accordingly. At the end of the session, you can learn relevant vocabulary words related to the topic in order to boost your confidence and score as well. Best of luck. Who is your favorite celebrity in your country? Do you like any foreign celebrities? Would you want to be a celebrity in the future? Do you think we should protect famous people's privacy? How do celebrities influence their fans in your country? So this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel because more essential content is on the way. Thanks for today and best of luck with your exam preparations. Take care.